today's video, I'm going to be doing a second-hand clothing haul. It's been quite a while since I've done one of these, but I've picked up some really cute spring pieces over the past couple of months that I wanted to share with you all, so I figured it was time that we bring them back, and I'm really excited for this one in particular because not only do I have clothing that I bought secondhand from thrift stores, but I also have some pieces that I got through clothing swaps because I've started going to those recently. So we have a little bit of a new take this time, and if you want to see the clothing I got, then just keep on watching. So starting off with Uptown Cheapskate, I just got 3 things from here. The first one is this button down from the brand Japana. As you can see, it's in this gingham print, which I always feel like is perfect for spring and summer. And I really like the color. It's kind of this like yellowy tan color, so I find that I can pair it with greens and pinks and it looks really good with anything. I also just really love button-ups because you can kind of dress them up or dress them down depending on what the occasion is, and this one in particular is super soft and lightweight, so I just know I'm going to be wearing this all spring and summer long. Next up, I got another top. This is a t-shirt from the brand Uniqlo, and it's in this bluish greenish color, which as I was getting all the clothing together to film this, I realized I got quite a few things in this color. I'm just really into it right now. But as you can see, it's just a plain t-shirt, but it has this Volkswagen bus logo graphic on it, and I think it's really cool because as you can tell, it's not like entirely drawn. There's kind of like some negative space. Again, this is also really soft, and I just like having graphic tees because I feel like they're a really easy way to make an outfit that's still cute, even though it was easy to put together. And then the last thing I got from Uptown Cheapskate was this pair of denim shorts, and I actually don't have any denim shorts that fit me, so I was really happy to find these. These are from Hollister, and these are actually in their curvy fit, which I'm not really a particularly curvy person, but my waist and my butt are like 2 totally different sizes in jeans, so I wanted to try a fit like this because I thought it might kind of work a little better for me, and I feel like it does. The only thing is that these do kind of stretch out a little bit, so then they kind of get a little bigger throughout the day, but at least they fit around my waist. That's what's most important to me. Yeah, these are just, you know, classic blue jean, high-waisted mom short. Just a wardrobe staple, so I know I'll be wearing these again all spring and summer long. Next, moving on to Plato's Closet. You guys know Plato's is my favorite place to shop for clothing, so of course I have a couple of things from there. First up, I actually have 2 accessories, and I have quite a few accessories from some other places as well, which I just love when I'm able to find accessories secondhand. Sometimes it's not as easy, but I've been having quite a bit of luck recently, so I don't know, maybe it's getting easier, but I just love having like simple accessories and jewelry so that I can kind of dress up my outfits. So the first thing I got was just this circular gold hair clip. I've seen these on Pinterest, so I've definitely been wanting one again, just as like a really cute way to kind of dress up a hairstyle. So I got this. And then I also got this long pearl barrette. I've been seeing pearl clips everywhere, and I really like the look of them. I love how girly but simple and elegant they can also be. I do wish this had been in like a set of 2 so I could wear them on both sides, but I still think the one is really pretty and again just adds this kind of pop to any outfit. Next, I got a t-shirt. This is from Brandy Melville. It's just a simple gray t-shirt. You guys might have heard me talk about before how I'm trying to get more basic pieces in my wardrobe. I tend to gravitate towards patterned things and things that aren't so simple, but then I have nothing to style them with. So that's why I'm trying to get more simple pieces. So this is literally just a cropped gray t-shirt, but I like how it has this like quarter button detail at the top just to make it a little more interesting than a literal plain t-shirt. And then the last thing I got, this piece is a little bit bohemian, which I like because I used to dress a lot more that way. This is a skirt again in that kind of greenish blue color palette. This is from American Eagle, and it's just a really simple, cute little floral skirt. I wore this to a concert not that long ago, and I thought it was really cute for that. And again, just a really great piece for spring and summer. Alright, and now moving on to Goodwill. I typically don't always look in the clothing at Goodwill. I usually go straight for the home section, but last time I was in there I did peruse through the clothing and I found 2 things. So the first thing is this blouse, again in this greenish blue color. And this actually was new with the tags. The brand is Sage the Label, which I think is from like Macy's or something like that. But as you can see, it's that greenish color and it has these little white polka dots all over it. And the sleeves are kind of these like long balloon sleeves. I thought this was nice because I feel like it can kind of be like a little more business casual, so if I have like any interviews or anything, I thought that this would be good to wear. The only thing is it is like pretty cheap fast fashion, and as I've been taking it on and off, it's like already started to tear at the seams, so that just really demonstrates that we need to be making higher quality clothing, because this was literally new with tags, and it does fit me, it's just like the way it's shaped, and because of the material, it does like kind of get pulled out when you take it on and off, so I'm not really sure what to do about that, but for now I think it's really cute and I'll probably keep wearing it. And then the only other thing I got from Goodwill was this cardigan. I really like cardigans, especially this time of year where it might be cold in the morning, but then it gets warmer later in the day, or it's cold inside but hot outside. So this one is from Charlotte Russe, and it's in this corally color, a little brighter than I usually go for, but again, I think it's cute. And I really like the material and like the pattern of the knitting on this. It's kind of cropped, which I also prefer, so that you don't just like get drowned in a cardigan, but it also kind of has those like balloon sleeves just for a little touch of something fun. So that was the last thing I got from Goodwill. And then moving on to a couple more accessories. If you follow me on Instagram, which you should go do, just saying, you would have seen I posted these on my stories, but basically the Eco Fashion Club at my school, they did this huge festival for Fashion Revolution Day, and they had this like thrift store on wheels called Rolling Rack come by, and I got a couple of things from them. So the first thing I got were these sunglasses. They're in this really fun yellow color, which it's not really a color I gravitate towards, but I just really like these and I really like the shape of them, so I got these. And then I also got this necklace. It's just these like small white kind of iridescent beads. They almost look like little pieces of shells, but I don't think they are, but it kind of hits right below the collarbones, and I thought it'd be really pretty. It just gives me really summery vibes, and I thought it might also look nice layered with other pieces, so I got this. And then the last thing I got was actually just this little pin. It's this gold cat. You guys know I love cats, so I thought that this would be cute. I think I'm going to put this on my like tweed blazer, because I already have a pin on my denim jacket, and I just thought to be a cute little touch, I just thought it was really sweet. And now moving on to clothing swaps. So all of this stuff from now on was free. Sorry, I didn't remember the prices for everything else. But yeah, I've really been liking going to clothing swaps because it's given me an opportunity to get rid of some of my own clothing and find it a new home, which I definitely need to do more often. So the first thing, this was from a clothing swap that was actually part of a performance I was in. It's just this pink t-shirt from Forever 21, and this is definitely a bit of a brighter color than I would usually go for, but I think it's really fun for the summer, and I think it looks nice with my skin tone. Unfortunately, it's not in the best of condition. There is like this small little stain, and one of the sleeves has kind of come unrolled, but I still thought it was cute, and I thought I might try to find a way to like embroider it or upcycle it in some way. And then next, again, that same club at my school, they also did a clothing swap as part of Fashion Revolution Week, and I hit the jackpot with this. So first up, just one more accessory. I got this little white friendship bracelet. Again, I just thought this would be cute for the summer, wearing it on the beach, that kind of thing. And then these first two tops, both of them aren't in the best condition, but I'm hoping I can kind of find some ways to salvage and upcycle them. So the first one was this little tank top. This is again from American Eagle. I love this so much. I just love the colors and the square neckline, but unfortunately it does have this like pink dye on the side. I did wash it and it didn't come out, so if anyone has any ideas on how to remove that, please let me know in the comments, because if I can't get it out, I'm not really sure what to do with it. So also if you have ideas on what to do in that case, please let me know, because this is so cute and I would hate to, you know, pretty much have to throw it away. Next up, I have another tank top. This is just this like baby pink one with these fun flowers. I thought this would be cute for summer and for going out. And this used to have buttons in it, as you can see from these little clasps, but the previous owner took them out for whatever reason, so I have to decide if I want to add buttons, but it also looks cute just kind of tying it in the front, so not too mad about that. And then I have just one more top. This is again American Eagle, or no, sorry, this is Aeropostale actually. This is just a kind of creamy linen top. I love anything that's in like a linen or linen looking material. And again, I really like the square neckline of this and the buttons. I just thought this would be really cute with, you know, pretty much any skirt or shorts in the summertime. And speaking of skirts, I have one more skirt. This one's from Brandy Melville. I thought this would be good kind of coming out of winter, going into spring. It's just, again, in a nice sagey green color that I've been loving, and it's this really small kind of plaid pattern. I thought this was really cute and could also maybe work as business casual or just, you know, as a cute everyday outfit. And then finally I got 2 pairs of pants. These are both a little bit big in the waist, so I'm gonna have to get them tailored, but I've talked about this before and I don't really mind doing that because I get to support a local business and then I also have clothes that fit me perfectly. So the first pair I am so excited about because I haven't had pink pants in a very long time, and that just seems like something I should have in my wardrobe. So these are these really awesome high-waisted pink velvet pants. I think these are so fun. I cannot wait to wear these in the fall and winter. And they're kind of like a cropped culotte flare kind of pant, which as a style I really like. So I got these. And then the last pair of pants, these are from American Eagle, just a good old pair of denim. But what makes these really cool is that they have this floral embroidery, which, as you guys know, I love literally anything floral, so I thought I would grab these. And I also don't really have any kind of like distressed jeans. I don't typically gravitate towards it that much, but I think it's nice to have one pair. So these have a bit of a hole in the thigh, and then they have this kind of raw hem at the bottom as well. So that is everything I got. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. I always say it, but it really does support me as a creator so much, and I'm really grateful for it. You can also go follow me over on Instagram if you'd like. It's just at becca.gargiulo. But with all that said, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
I've been having mental breaks alone.